A tremendous change has occurred in the last day in the exciting world of Shiba Inu. The crypto world was rocked when a zero that had been recently removed was added again. However, you better buckle in, because that is just the beginning of the suspense. Experts from every corner of the globe have recently discovered something shocking. Get ready, because more than 600 trillion tokens are riding on this decision. That amounts to over 50% of the total supply of Shiba Inu. To everyone's surprise, there are whales who have decided to jump ship. Unconscious of a crucial fact that might change the story altogether. However, what in the world had just transpired? You may be wondering, what is this crucial detail? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice. Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency, has been having a rough go of it recently, especially since it reached the 4 zeros range 2 weeks ago. In spite of all this, one prominent member of the Shiba Inu community has a positive view. An optimistic prognosis from market researcher Shiba Knight has surfaced, eagerly awaiting a breakthrough that would send Shiba Inu soaring to a 22-month high, up 128%. A thorough technical analysis is the foundation of Shiba Knight's optimism. An important historical barrier that Shiba Inu have faced since August 2022 is highlighted by the expert. The Shiba Inu has shown remarkable endurance in the face of favorable market conditions, repeatedly setting higher lows since June 2023. According to Shiba Knight, the present market climate is driving Shiba Inu to finally break over this long-standing barrier. The Shiba Inu has been unable to overcome this barrier since August of 2022, according to a recent tweet from Shiba Knight, who offered their thoughts. The arrows indicate the attempts at breakout. Since June 2023, the chart has been creating higher lows and the market is doing quite well. This time, it's almost breaking through the resistance. Here we are in February of 2024 with 4 zeros 22 as our primary objective. You should know that this is a weekly chart, so there is hope for the months to come. By highlighting the historical context, technical indicators, and optimistic market conditions, Shiba Knight captures their unshakable faith in Shiba Inu's impending breakout and predicts a strong move in February 2024. And now here's something crucial regarding pricing analyses that you need to know. Analysis of cryptocurrency prices involves more than simply looking at charts and figures in the volatile cryptocurrency market. In uncertain waters, they are the compass that leads investors to safety. Imagine this. While traveling by car, your GPS alerts you about impending curveballs and obstacles. Knowing what's ahead gives you the confidence to navigate. Price evaluations are also like a market GPS for crypto aficionados. They are an essential tool for navigating the unknown since they reveal possible highs and lows. Just for a second, pretend that you aren't traveling alone. You're part of a close-knit network of fellow travelers who will be there to encourage you, offer advice, and lift your spirits. When you have the backing of your community, it's like having a safety net. It keeps you going strong. What matters, though, are more than only the path and the company. Developer updates are like gas stations. They allow you to fill up, fine-tune your engine, and make sure you're performing at your best. Everyone is kept upbeat by these frequent check-ins, which show dedication, advancement, and a common goal. In addition, the path becomes more interesting and thrilling due to unforeseen turns, such as the unexpected diversion that occurs when you feature collaborations and innovations. Consider the other side of the coin now. There is no social support, no pit stops, no surprises, and no GPS. It's as if you're on a journey without a map or companion, where every turn brings new challenges. Where there is a lack of analysis and community support in the crypto industry, investors can easily get confused and apprehensive due to developer updates and those unexpected yet exciting events, so these components are essential, not optional, in the overall plan. They are the very heart of the adventure. They are what inspire faith in the path forward, the group to which they belong, and the endeavor to which they have committed their resources. Why would anyone choose to go blindly into the unknown when they could have a well-lit, thrilling road trip? Nevertheless, with the growing enthusiasm surrounding the possibilities of Shiba Inu, despite gains of 128%, the situation is not simple. Something crucial is happening that could completely change the outcome. Questions are raised by the element's surprising nature. In what ways is it so difficult to foresee? Are the possible consequences something to worry about? Get ready to be amazed as we explore the complexities that could drive Shiba Inu's incredible growth or throw a wrench into plans that could surprise even the most determined investors. New on-chain data has revealed a major maneuver by a Shiba Inu whale, adding another twist to the epic saga. An unprecedented 420 billion Shiba Inu coins were liquidated by this crypto sea monster from centralized and decentralized exchanges. The whale made a cunning move, instantly turning 311 billion Shiba Inu tokens worth over $3 million into BNB coin. Around the same time, 110 billion Shiba Inu were sold for 1 million Tether USD on a decentralized exchange. Finally, the twist in the storyline has arrived. These tokens have been held onto by this whale for more than 2 years. Nevertheless, a significant 61% decline in value resulted from the sale, which occurred at a high price of over $6 million. The remaining question is, why are the Shiba Inu waters so unpredictable? After all this time spent swimming with the ocean's waves, why are these whales making the decision to sell now despite the positive prices? Seems like the crypto waves are growing rougher, and everyone is attempting to decide whether to stay afloat or go it alone. The Shiba Inu may be entering unexplored terrain, which is making even the largest whales face difficult choices. Let's investigate. A mysterious event occurs despite the optimistic sentiments expressed by members of the Shiba Inu community and the encouraging results of the price study conducted by Shibanite. A few of whales have decided to sell their assets, experiencing a shower when a weather report said sunlight is like that. The discrepancy between the optimistic predictions and the whale sales makes one wonder what invisible forces are pushing these whales to sell, seemingly against the grain of hope. We encounter a major hurdle when navigating the Shiba Inu road. This Shiba Inu barrier is 615 trillion feet tall. Caught in the middle of the $4.010 to $4.027 pricing range. The situation is like running into a mountain while traveling, which forces us to devise a plan to climb it. This enormous obstacle is more than simply a numerical challenge, according to Intithiblock statistics. It stands for the combined holdings of more than 400,000 addresses with a total of 615 trillion Shiba Inu tokens valued at an average of $4.016 each. Shiba Inu faces an enormous sales barrier to overcome it. Investors who are currently losing money on their investments and are trying to either break even or cut their losses are going to be a tough nut to crack. Additionally, as previously stated, a number of investors, including whales, opt out of the initiative. There might be a myriad of elements that come together to form a complicated picture, and all of them could lead to the choice to sell. The first motivating factor may be the decline in interest in Shiba Inus. If you're an investor looking for huge price spikes quickly, the seemingly unchanging value of Shiba Inus over a long period of time could be reason for worry. Investors in the ever-changing cryptocurrency sector look for businesses that show steady and substantial growth. Some Shiba Inu owners may lose interest if the breed doesn't demonstrate this kind of drive. The enormous 615 trillion barrier further complicates everything. It will take a collaborative effort and a calculated market action to break past such a large resistance range. Investors may be wary about taking on such a massive undertaking. In the face of such obstacles, one must question, why continue to invest in an asset that appears to be beset by problems and obstacles? The prospective benefits may not seem proportional to the difficulties and dangers that some investors may anticipate. A person's investing objectives and risk tolerance may change as the cryptocurrency market develops, prompting a reevaluation of holdings and potential reallocation of capital. Keep in mind that every investor has their own unique criteria for deciding whether to sell or hold. Some people may view difficulties as opportunities.